Well, it is week 5. So walking into the house, you might notice a little difference. Today, while I was not here, my husband got all of the drywall down. And, well, not all the drywall, all of the drywall and insulation on this half. So we've got all of that cleaned out. Boards neatly piled. We've got all the things looking nice here. Still got some ceiling to do up here, but he rocked out some serious progress today. So we've got this right here, looking amazing. We no longer have a toilet. Well, we have a toilet. We no longer have a bathtub. We have a toilet, and it is sitting there in the middle of God and everybody. So if you pee, you can literally see the neighbor's house. Hi, neighbors. It's not awkward at all. And I'm just now getting here. My husband's been out here all day, but I got stuck at some of the shops that I have goods at. So I am just out here, and here is how our week is going. Hey, it is another fun-filled day here at the homestead. It is freezing cold. If I do this, hold on, let me try the other way. Yeah, you can see my breath. It's 29 degrees outside, and luckily we have a kerosene heater that we bought at the Habitat for Humanity Restore for $30. Just amazing. If things got desperate, there's also a generator and a little radiator heat, but that thing is loud and it's stinky and I have no desire. So I've got my hat. I've got one of those little gator things because I'm going to be working up on insulation-y things. So I put it over my mouth, hate it on my neck. So you'll see me pulling at it and being annoyed all day. I've got my jacket. Underneath my jacket, I've got Viberalls and a like thermal pajama shirt. And underneath the bottom, I have a pair of sweatpants. And on my feet, I have 2 pairs of socks. So my goals for today, and today is Sunday. On Tuesday, our dumpster leaves. And so I want to get all the drywall off of the ceiling. I want to get all the insulation out of the ceiling and get it ready, or maybe even out into the dumpster. So that's like goal number 1, because it has to be done Tuesday. I'm gonna ask him how late in the day, but usually they come at like 9:30 in the morning. So no, that's like priority one, have to get that done. But I'll have to rest some because that's pretty physical, that's pretty hard. So there are two things I will be doing when I am not ripping out the ceiling. Let me move you over and I'll show you one. So over here on our walls, we have a lot of little staples that were left in here for holding the drywall in. So I will be taking those out using a flathead screwdriver to like pry them is the best way I found. And then over here, we're tangled on a cord, we have some different cabinet doors, and I'm going to be taking off their handles and anything else I can to salvage, and then the doors will be burned in the fire. So let's get to it. This is my first full day out here on my own, so this thing's driving me crazy. Okay, I'm gonna suck it up. So it's getting warmer in here because the kerosene heater is on full blast. I am going to do this on time lapse, not because I don't love you, but because I don't have enough storage space on my phone to store like full length videos of the whole process. So here we go. All right, I think the first piece of drywall on the ceiling is about to come down. So I decided to record this in regular speed. So hopefully it'll go well. Cross your fingers, maybe your toesies. Okay. Just wanted to take a minute and say, it's really hard to put up a ladder and use it when your floor's rotting in that spot. Think we're in a solid place. If not, I guess we'll find out. But here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go again. Here we go. Just kidding. Nope, not kidding. Oh, shit. Okay then. Well, that was fun. Now, how do I get this down? Haha. Ba-da-da-da-da. Some drywall bites the dust. Ba-da-da-da-da. Some drywall bites the dust. And another one. Okay, let's stay down. I did it! I did it! Woo! Now only like 3,012 more. Yay! Hello there. Excuse me. It is December 2nd, Monday. Tomorrow the dumpster comes. So I'm trying to get all of the drywall and insulation out of the ceiling before the dumpster leaves. So even though it's snowing outside and you can see my breath, I'm out here. I got my warm clothes and my gloves, and we're gonna see what we can get done. My husband suggested, he got 2 ladders so that we could make a scaffold for when we're doing the, things on the ceiling. I may or may not try that today. I haven't decided if I feel safe. I think I'd rather try that when my husband's here. So today, I don't think I'll do that, but we'll see. He is at home at the moment because he was working. So he'll probably be out here later today, assuming the roads are okay, because again, it's snowing. Let's go. Well, I didn't do a video at the start of today, but today is our cleanup day. The dumpster is leaving in a couple hours, and we are getting everything in it that we can. So we just finished sweeping. Well, getting the bulk of the trash out. James is sweeping the tiny stuff inside, and I am taking a quick break, and I'm going to take handles off of our shelves that we can reuse for the shelves that we're going to put in. Or we can swap them out, or we can donate them to the Habitat for Humanity Restore. We'll see. Well, all work has to stop. I have found a kitty cat. I was getting ready to look for trash up here, and as I got closer, I noticed, oh, she's hiding. She is hiding. But underneath there is a kitty cat. She is just a little gray ball of fluff. Aw, so cute. I guess I will not be cleaning up the trash from this area right now.